Here we are at the foot of Turkey Hill, low grade. We're gonna be hiking with the windmills in our hair.
Yeah.
Ah.
I said yeah before I registered
Yeah.
what he actually said.
Lovely windmills.
You know what I meant. Just kind of blowing your hair in
And
the
the
breeze.
bird back
The
there.
crows, cock-a-doodle doing and cooing. Okay, we're gonna get started here. Turkey Hill Trail, rules and regulations. Ah. I don't know if you guys can see this back home. Probably not.
Oh my gosh, it is an eagle. It's a ball. What is it? Bald
my
eagle.
word.
That was an
That's
eagle.
awesome. I love it.
Yeah,
Get the
me
snot
too.
coming down my nose.
Oh, oh.
Wow, he is right
I don't know.
Man.
I don't know if I got him. There's two of them. Oh my. Well,
You can edit that out.
Yeah. We were enjoying the serenity of the eagle. Howdy. How do you like my selfie stick?
Yeah, turning around.
Awkward poses.
I don't know if I'm getting my
I'll give you a
face in
double
here.
chin.
I think I need to redirect my camera.
Hi.
There we go.
Why do you look like you're going to the bathroom?
Folks, today we're gonna teach you how to. Maybe some of you are experiencing swallowing issues like I am. And there are different swallowing exercises that we can do.
Really?
Now, I'm gonna show you. Some of this might make you a bit uncomfortable at home, but it's helpful, and your swallowing, your tongue needs exercise just like anything else in your body. So we're gonna start like this. You roll your tongue back as far as you can and then yawn. Oh. It's not funny. Just you roll your tongue back as far as you can and then yawn. Okay, after you've done that 5 times, the next one,
Wait, can you do one more for me?
you
please? No, but I hear a lot.
you hold your breath, you take in a deep breath, you take in a deep breath, take in a deep breath, hold your breath, and crunch down like you're having a bowel movement. And then swallow.
Wait, can you do the rolling of the tongue
Yeah.
for me again?
So you want to tuck your tongue back as far as you can into the back of your mouth, and then have like a yawn reaction. So I'm gonna tuck my tongue back, and now I'm gonna yawn. Oh, oh. Okay, that's today's exercises.
It's what happens to your face.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we stumbled upon a landfill. You might say, how do you just stumble upon a landfill? It's massive. Well, we did, and we're gonna explore a little bit and see about getting into this fence.
Yeah, the other one's a little bigger.
Come crawl under there.
I doubt that. Jace, crawl over there.
Guys, let's get out of here. I heard somebody.
Oh, look at that guy just hit out 2 puffs of. Oh, there. See, look at that. He's shooting.
It's just a conspiracy theory.
I've never seen it come out of a flame.
So I can't even actually see him in the camera. Probably not even there.
So Jess Cruz telling me, I just turned 29, which means you're turning 29. I was like, oh, you're right. Like I was convinced.
Pause the big birthday party.
Yeah, yeah. Only 29.
Why didn't you think about the year that you were born?
I did.
But it doesn't always add up right.
No, I think when it comes to like
Those of you watching at home, we are very close to the edge.
see the bubbles down there in the water?
Yeah, it's awesome. Well, what's creating them is oxygen below the surface of the earth, mixed, excuse me,
the whole way across.
mixed with the methane gases.
From the landfill?
Yes. And
Excuse me.
excuse me.
Gets out his camera and he's like, David slew Goliath. We're not even like
And then
in
Samson.
the right general like
Oh, you had
100-mile area.
Yeah.
You know, but there was all this education going on that I
The trail looks like it's still runs.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Little.
The trains to run on?
No, that's a fence.
Oh.
down there. But there's a train track.
Oh, those
down
are things
along the
laying
line.
on the ground.
Yeah.
I feel like we missed the thing.
Look at that. Oh, that's blocked off, isn't it? There's
Yeah.
a little
Yeah,
pier.
the out thing.
Yeah.
Is that like a water? Like
I don't know. Maybe we had a boat dock at one time.
Oh no, that's up like way up off the ground.
Well,
It
legends
looks
say.
like it goes right out flush, but that's
Legends say, if you read any of the history of the Susquehannock Indians, the Susquehannock,
Sorry, leader. I think we missed our turn.
follow the Susquehannock Indians would share goods. It was kind of a treaty between them and the other West Shore Indians.
Please disregard any education you receive on this day.
And there you have it. Legends of the Susquehannock Indian on the Turkey Hill Trail.
I might actually stay awake for that one.
Even if you got a lot of, that is fake news. This is real. We are not armed. I do have a Swiss Army knife though, and I am getting pretty hungry. The hills are alive with the sounds of music.
That's good.
Nice. Energies.
I feel electrified.
Hold on. Me.
It's a little brutal coming out.
Oh, there, way over there's the windmills. This is awesome.
Oh, I bet that's the truth of the thing, and he's saying just keep going. I think you're right.
Get the swinging action. You know, and go different.
Are you guys trying to imitate the windmills?
Yeah.
And then,
A double towards the front, or
Feel very not
You can
powerful. Oh, I need to like. Yeah.
classic action photos. Yeah, we do actually.
What's your,
Oh, that's a good one.
yeah. Like
Yeah.
the like return to like.
Yeah. So I feel like I just knocked my head. Yeah. There we go. That's it.
Nice moves. Hey, wait, aren't we supposed to go the other way for the rock view? They think they found gold, but apparently
Threw the gold back on the
they've
ground.
never heard of a simple thing called fool's gold. Well, once again, another lesson learned here on the trail. We've got whippoorwills, windmills.
Leisha, I want to do everything. You know what I mean? I don't
I
want to
know.
be limited.
To a fellow Good Samaritan traveler that we came across and leading us to the most spectacular overlook in the state of Pennsylvania.
Come on the.
But how did you know that that's clockwise?
Leading us to the most spectacular overlook of the Turkey Hill lands. What?
Get a shot of this.
Nature at.
Ooh.
Look at him.
Ooh, yeah. Little buggy.
Snaily.
Snoopy snaily.
See you, Snelly.
It's incredible what you'll see along the way. The little gods, creatures, and slimy and slurpy little things creeping and crawling across the ground. All the crippy and crawly. Was that one of the things we could eat
Yeah.
in Deuteronomy? A snail. I think you could eat snails. What?
Him threw the gun. He goes, don't worry, it's on safe. And then he clicks it on. He's like, now it's on safe.
Here, have a tomato.
What we have here
fruit.
is nature's finest gift to us. When we are in the woods and we are hungry, there's nothing to eat. We get things like this.
It's poisonous!
Instagram. Oh,
Positive, and Jordan was having to get tested and quarantined.
oh. Look at this rock. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. We made it. Dude, this is crazy.
Hey,
This
look,
is
there's
beautiful.
bubbles down here too.
Yeah, and look, did you see there's that platform thing over there to the left?
A long, long time ago, I can still remember how the river used to flow.
Just around the river bend.
And, oh, sorry about that, folks. I hear people. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to get close, but I'm scared. I'm very, very, very scared. Emily, don't get too close.
Straight down. Yeah, we can go down to the trail from here.
Oh my.
Oh, Leash, look, that thing is actually outputting water.
See, that's kind of like
Emily.
the creek coming.
Yeah.
Where are those people talking?
They're grappling the rocks down.
Seriously? I'm very shaky. Wait, you see a guy?
Yeah, they're climbing right here.
Seriously?
Yeah, someone's spotting her. There's a girl.
I'm gonna get my extensions out.
See him?
Do you think this is good?
You know what though? A lot of it comes from your legs. It's more of like a pushing up with your legs than it is a. than it is a pulling up with your arms.
Yeah, but still, like you're hanging
still-
on,
yeah, yeah.
and the tension of both spots.
So even if he's shaking out his forearms right now. Because I did that in high school with Bill. Remember we went to the camp that Doug was working at?
Seriously.
It was awesome.
Snake out there.
Hey!
I'm not sure.
You or UQ?
It's Swiss. Wow. All for the shot. Wow, look at this, folks. It's a cave.
Whoa!
What?
Rotten.
Wow. I didn't look. Go ahead. This just gives you a perspective of how large this hole actually is. Emily stands about 6'3". So that gives you a perspective of just the enormosity.
Normal.
Not saying, of course, that Emily is an awesomity.
An awesomity.
Solar.
Sonar.
Solar.
Just guzzling that thing. You're really ruining the guy's moment. He's trying to.
I'm working on my swallowing exercises.
Oh. Oh. A little slippery here. The leaves. All I want Christmas is baby. Woo. Woo! It's very slippery. This is the almighty gorge. Beautiful. Howdy. Em, you know what's cool? Em, watch this. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Ow. I made it. Dude, you can go down there. I can go out there. Yeah. I'm gonna attempt to get up on this ledge from 20 feet below. Just like that. That's how it's done. How? Okay. Been there, done that. Just look at this. Why don't you just look at it? Guy's climbing up a rock, and they're so slick getting his powder. He's getting it under.
Huh. I might give you a good old hockaloo.
One thing I've never understood is why is he wearing a helmet? If you fall, you're just dead, man.
Reach for rocks that might fall on you.
Oh, good point.
Good call.
He said no. Nah, negative.
Nah.